I was driving to work one Friday morning, and I'm sitting at a stoplight. Next thing I know, there's a car in my rear end. The car just smacked me so hard that it pushed me about 100 feet. The gentleman that I spoke to told me he was reaching down to pick up a CD and wasn't paying attention, and just bashed the whole rear end of my car. When I first woke up after being hit, I noticed I was having a headache, numbness in my hands, a lot of pain in my back, and right away I knew something was wrong. So I immediately picked up the phone and dialed 911. I went to the hospital. They said that I had whiplash or injury. They also said that they couldn't understand why I had a numbness in my hand. And they sent me to an expert. I missed quite a bit of work from it and ended up losing my job. I couldn't perform at the level that they expected me. Couldn't stand on my feet for long periods of time because of the injury to my back. I had neck injury, still have problems from that, have headaches. And of course, you have to use your hand to be a makeup artist. And I couldn't use it for long periods of time. It would get numb, and that was my job. Just a few days after the accident, his insurance company called me wanting to settle. And that's when, in the back of my mind, I was listening to the commercial. You tell him you mean business. And I said, I'm gonna call James Scott Farrin. I did my homework and I checked him out, and I was very happy with the results that I found. And then I called them and they helped me out quite a bit. I was very scared. I didn't know where to turn to. I didn't know what to do. And the gentleman that I spoke to initially, one of the lawyers that I spoke to initially, calmed my fears, told me he could help me out. They sat down with me and told me what they could do for me and told me what my rights were, which was great because I didn't know. We went to mediation, and the gentleman that went with me, I was so impressed with him because he went to bat for me. It made me feel really good that somebody was there to help me, that there was someone that could help me to fight the other insurance companies that are not there for you. I'm very happy that I chose this law firm. They fight for you, and they believe in what they fight for.